Hello, welcome to Do-It-Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn on our talkback shortcut in Samsung Galaxy S22. So, where to look for our shortcut options? We need to go to Settings, then we are looking for Accessibility options, here it is, and talkback is here. So, talkback shortcut. When we enable it, yes, allow, hold volume up and down keys to enable talkback. Let's see.
Talkback on.
Our
Held
talkback
volume keys.
shortcut is
Talkback turned
on.
on.
To turn it off, we simply do
Search.
it the same.
Double tap and drag to move in pager. Double tap, talkback off.
And now talkback is off again. Our shortcut is working by holding volume up and volume down. That's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video.